Hey guys, Eric Sargent, General Manager at Ed Martin Toyota.
Hello, Dustin Cronkite, Sales Manager at Ed Martin Toyota.
Welcome back to the channel. And today we're going to show off a Toyota wireless camera system, or WCS, for a 3rd Gen Tundra. Let's get started. So we're testing this today on a 2024 Tundra. This is an SR5 trim level. What's going to be interesting about this accessory is it's available only from the factory. So if you buy your truck and then you want to add it later, unfortunately that's not possible. Instead, you have to order the truck with that or buy one that already has it preferenced that way from the factory. On a truck that has the wireless camera system, you'll see there's 3 antennas on the roof versus just the one on a truck that does not have it.
All right, a couple things we wanted to talk about here on this camera when you unbox it. It will come as you see, and of course you'll have to install the antennas, which are vital for the streaming of the video when you're trailering. It's also going to have the bracket to mount it to your trailer, wherever you're mounting that on. On this bracket in the box, it'll come with all the mounting hardware as well. Another quick thing too on this, you will have on the back, which is important for pairing and charging it before using it for the first time, you will have a USB port that you'll have on the back of this camera that you'll be able to connect in while pairing the camera and to charge if you're not going to use the 12 volt that comes in the boxing to hardwire it in the back of the trailer when using this.
Now that we're back in the vehicle, I'm going to go ahead and hit the view button right here, which can vary based on trim level. And then momentarily there's going to be an icon for an auxiliary connection. That's the button that won't appear on a truck that doesn't have this built in or that comes from the factory. So we'll go ahead and press that. And Dustin's holding the camera, so it's connected now. It's wireless and it's running off the battery. You can see that it has the signal strength from the actual unit to the car, and then it's also going to have the battery level as well. So right now it's showing on both screens. So there's a button right here that you can toggle this to the digital rear view mirror or the traditional rear view mirror, or you can switch it to the wireless camera system. So right now, if you look at this, Dustin's holding the camera, and on the main screen, you can see the Tundra on the dashboard, which is part of the truck itself. On the rear view mirror, it is cutting off part of that. You can only see part of the top vent. So the main screen is going to give you more, definitely more space, and then the rear view mirror is going to give you a lesser extent of it. This is designed to be used when it's in park or when it's in reverse. And to get the toggle on the rear view mirror, you just press the rear view mirror button right there, and it'll take it back between digital, analog, or the wireless control system. So currently on the digital rear view mirror, Dustin is holding the wireless camera, and he's walking from that black truck, which is 60 feet away. And it actually still had full signal strength on the screen right there. So he's walking towards the truck right now with the camera. This camera is being recorded by the camera that's above the fold down window. But as you can see on the screen, you have a full view of the camera, even while you're in park or reverse. If you want to turn the screen on while you're driving, you can. You just go into you just hit the view button right there, and then you can press auxiliary, and you can actually watch what's on the camera while you're driving. That's all we have for you today. Thanks for watching the video. If you guys like it, please hit thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for future Tundra content, and if you're interested in buying one, please give us a shout and we'll help out. Or go to your local dealer and ask for a Tundra with a W1 factory installed accessory. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.